Hello and welcome to Sarah's Saucy Show. Today we're gonna cook some tacos. First off, I'm gonna tell you what you need to cook tacos. Cilantro is heaven. That's the main ingredient, and I feel like it's like life. That doesn't make any sense, but whatever. You're gonna need meat, of course. Taco meat, taco seasoning, cheese, lime, tomato, lemon, guacamole, avocados, corn, tortillas, onion. So here's some onion in a bag. Those are all the ingredients you need to make tacos. Put some oil in there. I just put a capful. Open your meat. Okay. And then you just put the meat in. Oh. Yeah. Put meat in. So smelling good tacos. So you're gonna just let this for a good minute. There we go. Sizzle the meat. Yeah. Season salt. You're gonna put some of this mild taco. And you drizzle this on. You want to cook with it in so it kind of incubates in there. Just a little bit. Put some of this in there. It's for chicken, but we're putting it for beef. Next step is you're gonna cut the cilantro. This is always the most interesting part. Put up the cilantro. You got to eat the tomato. Add the cilantro.
You and Matt both use a freaking spatula when you cook taco meat.
What do you use?
A freaking spoon to stir it.
Some of us are just a little different. Taste the tomato. The tomato. And we put the tomato down over here. Juicy tomato. Muy bien. Onion in a bag.
You just ate a straight onion? Oh my god, no.
Cut the cheese. Alrighty. Now it's time for cutting the lime. Cut some limes. Make it look really pretty.
Does look good.
The presentation. You gotta be just right. What's the guy's name even called at this Hell's Kitchen?
Gordon Ramsay?
Yeah.
He's opening a restaurant in Orlando.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's opening next week.
Maybe I can work for it. I'd be like, Sarah's Saucy Show is doing so good.
That looks good.
Oh yeah, this is good. This is very lean meat.
It said 88%.
Yeah, this is lean. Like,
I bet he didn't want you to use that one.
Well, sometimes life isn't always fair.
I don't remember him being too happy last time.
It'll be alright. I'm gonna pretend it's French fries.
I don't think that's exactly the same thing, but okay.
Oh shoot, they're flopping in there.
They're flopping?
Yeah, they're flopping
What do
in there.
you mean? Oh, they are.
Why is it doing that?
Do you think I should do a different setting?
Why is it floppy?
Okay, the next step is guacamole.
What are you doing?
Cutting the guac.
You mean the avocado?
Yeah. Where did my smasher go? I lost my smasher. I have one issue though.
You can't find your smasher.
Nope. Oh man. What are you gonna do? Oh my gosh.
What?
Why did I just
I don't know either.
It literally says to only do like seconds, Sarah.
Oh really?
Well, that one's garbage. That one's a joke. These are chips now.
You want some chips? Okay, so the camera died and we already started digging in because we were hungry.
It's good.
It's good though. It's good.
Let me get my chocolate first, man.
You can wait. Alright, we got the fresh jackpot. We a little people here. So then you garnish it with some onion, tomato, beautiful, some cilantro, some cheese. I get squeeze the lime, homemade guac. I didn't even put the guac seasoning in it.
Well, I think it's good without it, so I don't see why you would add it if it's good without it.
Right.
It's extra ground.
And voila! That is Sarah's Saucy Show for the week! Tacos.